Welcome back, creators. We're TrustedShoppingGuide.com, and today we're in the workshop. In this video, we'll be sharing with you our 7 highest rated handheld strapping machines. Investing in automated strapping machines is one of the best ways to boost overall productivity and increase the efficiency of your work floor. These marvelous innovations not only have the potential to free your employees for more productive work elsewhere, but they also have the potential to increase your product readiness by many orders of magnitude, which in turn may increase your revenues over the long term. If the idea of better profit margins interests you, keep watching because in this video, we'll be providing you a list of the 7 top-rated handheld strapping machines available in the market today. The team at TrustedShoppingGuide.com have researched, assessed, and awarded ratings to all the handheld strapping machines that will be presented in this video. We have selected our top-rated options for you to make it easier to decide which one to buy today. To help you further, there are timestamps and direct links to all the products in the description below. You're welcome to check us out on TrustedShoppingGuide.com for more of our research in the workshop, or alternatively subscribe to this channel for regular updates. The first handheld strapping machine on our list is the HIGHTOP handheld strapping machine. This machine is solidly built with a high-quality metal frame. It features a simple structure and a reliable design with a maximum tightening force of 220 pounds. In terms of size, the machine measures 11 by 6 by 7 inches. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the HIGHTOP handheld strapping machine a 4-batch rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following. Wide application. This strapping tool works well in large-sized product, widely used in small and medium-sized enterprises like aluminum, wooden packaging, carton, and metal products industries. Powerful air cylinder. It has a maximum of 3,500 newtons of binding tightening force and a special structural design to achieve tightening and packaging easily. High degree of automation. This automated handheld strapping machine allows newbies to pack like professionals. Lightweight. With a weight of only 10.32 pounds, you can operate this single-handedly. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is the air compressor fitting size is only common in European and Asian countries. The second handheld strapping machine on our list is the Mophorn handheld strapping machine. The strapping tool's main body and components are made of high-strength aluminum alloy materials with advanced manufacturing technology. Its anti-scratch galvanized air pump joint makes the pellet strapping kit more stable and durable. With ergonomic and non-slip handles, this pneumatic packaging baler is easy to carry thanks to its small size of 11 by 6.3 by 7 inches and lightweight feature 8.3 pounds. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the Mophorn handheld strapping machine a 4-batch rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following. Highly durable. All of the body and components are made of high-strength alloy materials with a high reliability design. Powerful air cylinder. The pulley strapping tensioner has a maximum tension of 4,000 newtons powered by a large power air cylinder. Quiet operation. This handheld pneumatic strapping tool is driven by an air motor with low noise. Highly portable. This pneumatic packing baler is lightweight and modest in size, making it easy to transport. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is, it is a good tool but the grip feet wear out quickly. The third handheld strapping machine on our list is the VEVOR handheld strapping machine. The primary body and components of the strapping tool are composed of a strong alloy of aluminum and steel body that's resistant to heat and corrosion, making the automated strapping tool exceptionally robust. At 11 by 6.3 by 7 inch dimension and 8.3 pounds weight, it's very simple to operate and it provides quality seal joints. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the VEVOR handheld strapping machine a 5-batch rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following. Convenient operation. This pneumatic strapping machine has 3 functions: sealing, tension, and cutting. With its friction and hot welding principles, this banding tool seals the band efficiently and firmly. Portable. This small and lightweight strapping machine boasts ergonomic and non-slip handles, making it easy to carry. Various application. This banding tool for strapping is suitable for paper, aluminum, wood, wooden packaging, chemical fiber, cotton, tobacco, chemicals, metal products industries. Efficient air pump. Driven by a large power air cylinder, the pulley strapping tensioner offers up to 4,000 newtons of tension. The lapped thermoplastic packaging belt is fused by the heat produced by friction motion. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is, the air compressor fitting size is hard to find in some countries. The fourth handheld strapping machine on our list is the SDRTOP handheld strapping machine. The steel strapping tool has an ergonomic design, simple hand operation, and a long service life. An easy-to-turn handle allows for quick tensioning of the steel band, and the control buttons have strong anti-slip properties. Size-wise, it has an average size for a strapping machine at 7.09 by 6.3 by 11.02 inches and weighs 8.3 pounds. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the SDRTOP handheld strapping machine a 5-batch rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following. Convenient operation. This handheld strapping machine is portable and convenient for transportation. Plus, it's easy to use and improves work efficiency. Rewind button. This feature comes in handy when you finish packing and adjusting the packing belt. Highly durable. This banding stripping kit is made of high-strength alloy aluminum and steel with advanced manufacturing technology, making it extremely durable and resistant to heat. Strong tension. An air pump powers the pneumatic strapping tool, which has high compatibility and a tension limit of 3,500 newtons. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is it's only suitable for 1/2 to 3/4 inch straps. The 5th handheld strapping machine on our list is the Yaetek handheld strapping machine. If your household needs something to strap things down with, then you should definitely consider Yaetek. Its reliable design and materials won't disappoint when it comes to performance. What's more is that it exactly looks like the previous ones we reviewed, but with a dimension of 11 by 5 by 62 inches. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the Yaetek handheld strapping machine a 4-batch rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following. Excellent air cylinder. This Yaetek handheld strapping machine can be set at a pressure of 300 pounds per square inch, which evenly distributes the weight across all 3 straps that come with it. It's capable of holding up to 20 pounds in total load per side, so you can take on bigger jobs without having to worry about your device breaking or not being strong enough. Wide application. This strapping tool works well in large-size product, widely used in small and medium-sized enterprises like aluminum, wooden packaging, carton, and metal products industries. Highly portable. This pneumatic packing baler is lightweight and modest in size, making it easy to transport. Highly durable. All of the body and components are made of high-strength alloy materials with a high reliability design. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is its head is a bit bulky and big, which contributes mostly to its weight. The 6th handheld strapping machine on our list is the BestEquip handheld strapping machine. The BestEquip strap is one of the most durable and reliable strapping applicators on the market, with a strong grip that can hold up to heavy-duty applications. This product is great for contractors who need something tough enough to handle their projects all day long. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the BestEquip handheld strapping machine a 4-batch rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following. Seals efficiently. This handheld strapping machine seals the band effectively and firmly by using friction and the hot welding principle. Convenient operation. BestEquip's design with its small size and lightweight features makes this pneumatic steel strapping machine easy to carry and work conveniently. Highly durable. An aluminum alloy is used for the machine's main body, which is extremely strong and resistant to heat and corrosion. Quality air cylinder. An excellent air pump powers this strapping machine, which has a maximum tension of 3,500 newtons. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is the air cylinder can only offer a pressure of 0.5 to 0.8 megapascal. The 7th handheld strapping machine on the list is the BAOSHISHAN handheld strapping machine. This one looks different compared to the previous brands. BAOSHISHAN offers a cleaner look as its head is enclosed by a metal frame with a dial control, so you can easily adjust the setting. It measures 10.14 pounds, and its plastic body is a head turner and catches your attention. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the BAOSHISHAN handheld strapping machine a 5-batch rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following. 2 respective motors. Welding and cutting are both controlled by their own respective motors, resulting in a machine that's more stable and durable. Large capacity battery. Its easy-to-use and replaceable battery delivers 3,000 mAh and can power 80 to 200 straps continuously. High-quality alloy. Using an alloy blade with high strength and a serrated construction, BAOSHISHAN quickly cuts through materials with a clean cut. Highly efficient. The maximum tensioning force is 2,800 newtons, which is equivalent to the tensile force of 628 pounds, which greatly saves manpower. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is this handheld strapping machine is only for polypropylene and polyester strapping. And there you have it, folks, our 7 highest-rated handheld strapping machines, which got our team at TrustedShoppingGuide.com excited this year. If you have any contenders for our next handheld strapping machine roundup, which you would like our team to test, do drop it in the comment section below, and we'll be sure to assess them for our next update. If you like this video and it helps you in any way, please do give it a like and hit the subscribe button so that you can stay connected and updated with all of our research into everything that makes our workshops great. We look forward to seeing you at the TrustedShoppingGuide.com again soon.